This is Alexis vacuuming at 8-ish in the morning. She loves our Sharp vacuum cleaner so much. She's got a vacuum first thing in the morning. There's the box it came in the chair. The only thing I don't like about it is the battery doesn't last very long. But my Chihuahua doesn't like it at all. She don't like the vacuum cleaner. No, she don't like it. Oops, it's getting carried away here. Get it, Susie. Don't let that vacuum cleaner get me. Get it. She don't like the vacuum cleaner at all. It's a Dyson. You're done tired from that vacuuming?
No, but this arm hurts now because my chest is not hurt now.
I thought you had to use the other arm. Rotate your arms.
I don't know why. I have to keep doing it.
You're working your muscles.
Yeah, when you get back to cut it works your muscles out.
Uh-huh.
Better than I was like, oh crap, that ain't what happened. It's been on the charger all day. This Dyson will be on the charger all night.
There's the little boy. There's the baby. There's Gracie. She don't like it either.